we can. Thank you. Oh. Okay, so basically, first we need a NestRaider that should be there, and currently like MCX market is running, but I'll show you even for the Bank Nifty and Nifty also. Currently, like right now, like live market is going on, so I'll show you the MCX one, how it is from the scratch. I'm not like already done the Excel sheet. Just I'm showing you. No, it's not like that. I'll show you from the scratch. So basically, like people are joining. People are still joining. So first, we need an Excel sheet. Okay, and Excel sheet should be like if it is above 2016, it should be good. Even below also works, but a few settings we have to change it. So for connecting and for the real-time data, we need to run the Excel sheet in run as administrator. That is must. This is must. Like run as administrator is must. Okay, this is the first step. So first step is like whenever you are opening, you should not double click anything. Like you have to open Excel, run as administrator. Then only the data from Nest will connect directly. Otherwise, it won't connect. Okay. First, we will take a new blank sheet. Okay. And from the NestRaider, we have an option called link to Excel. Okay. This is the option link to Excel. So I'm selecting all, like there are like a Nifty, Bank Nifty future, crude oil future, and crude oil one option I have taken just to demonstrate it. Okay. First thing, open the Excel in administration mode. Second, right click, link to Excel, all, minimize, and just select any cell and paste it. And your data is, whatever the data is running in the Nest, it is communicating with your Excel directly. I'll just show you one thing, like how it is communicating. For that, you need to go to add in. So you can see in the first option, active application add-in Nest script. It is running. Okay. This way it is communicating with your Excel. If you are running old version of Excel, it might give you some difficulties, but with the settings we can run it. And this should be macro enabled. For macro enable, you need to go to the trust setting. In the trust setting, we need active setting as enable control with the restriction. Then macro enable should be there. And third should be external content should be enabled, because we are using the NestRaider and we are communicating with the NestRaider. This option is recommended. Okay, just to communicate with external data, we are doing it. Okay, now our data is coming, and basically, if you can see, all it is like a bit ask rate and LTP change in percentage. ATP is also called as VWAP, volume, total volume traded, and source and vagara. We have like open, high, low, and everything we have. Okay. So if you have any doubts in the chart, you can raise your hand so that we can, means we have like a very less time. So I'll quickly demonstrate this with your Excel thing. So when you are selecting any of the script, you can find like you in the formula bar, you will find one script that is like equals to RTD. This, even with the pi also, you can get the same thing. With pi, you will get like pi RTD. With any other RTDs, you will get the same similar kind of script. And we need only the first one, and means we need everything, but this is the very important thing we require. Okay. So with this, I'll just do some formula so that you all guys can understand and how to prepare the option chain. We need this kind of formula to be integrated. So I'll take a new sheet. So basically we need in our thing like option chain, we need strike price. Then we need LTP. Then we need open, high, low. This should be previous close. How I'm like identifying this names is basically from here only. Like in the NestRaider, you can see there's open, high, low, previous close, 52-week high, 52-week low. Similar way, it is like open interest, previous day open interest, ATP, everything will be there in the column list, here in the column. So the same names, I'm just typing it here. If you want like open interest, you need to type open open interest. If you want change in open interest, you need to type percentage OI. If you want previous day open interest, PREV OI. Then if you need any other things also, you can like add into it. Bid rate, ask rate, like bid rate, then ask. Okay, so this is for the like a call side example. I'm taking it as a call side. So for this, mainly we need some data from here. I'm taking a LTP of future. Okay, I'll just copying it. Later on, we will add the formula to it. Okay, then I need one more thing is this call crude oil September expiry. I'm taking the LTP of that one. I'll just keep it randomly. I'm not mentioning anywhere. So for seeing to get the exact numbers in our formula, I need to see this one. So I'll just keep one line so that I can see the formula here. How like RTD is giving me the data from the Nest. So for this, like you can see, the first one is like RTD, second one is like Nest scripted, and third one is your MCX from the quotation. It is saying MCX FO thing. Just copy that one. Okay, keep it anywhere. I'm keeping it in A1. And secondly, we need the name. So I'm just copying this one. So above the strike price, I'll just keep it crude oil. Then we need the expiry day. That is 21st September. I'm just pasting it here. So, I think like for expiry, we need this one as text. So I'll just paste again. So that exactly that figure needs to become. So this expiry thing, you have to keep it as waiting. Huh? Oh, sorry. Some guys are waiting. Some more guys have added, so I just adding them into the group. Sorry. Okay. One more. Okay. I think. So what we have done is like we have taken the RTD script. A1 we have kept it as MCXFO. Then we have kept our crude oil name here. Then we have kept the third one as date. And the fourth one we required is strike price. Copy the strike price. The strike price should be somewhere like in the strike column. So I'm just pasting it now. And later on, we will do some formation. And this we need CE. So I'll just keep the CE here. CE here. I think some guy background sound is coming. So I'm just muting them. So, okay. So then I think we need LTP already we have written. So this way, like I need to get the data. This is the structure what I have done. So basically, you know, like I have taken from the entire script, I have taken MCXFO separately, crude oil separately, date for the expiry separately, then there's a strike price separately, and call CE separately, and LTP is already there. So I'll just quickly, I wanted this thing to be getting as a number. Okay. So what I'll do is just copy the till like till this level RTD. I'll just copying it and pasting it here. It will show, definitely it will show error. Okay. Then we need to add, right, column. Okay. Concatenate. We need to add concatenate. Okay. What the concatenate does is like it will combine club all of them and give you the same script basically. So first, what was the requirement? First, we need the MCX F4. So I'll just select the MCX F4. To freeze it, I'm pressing F4. Okay. Then we need the symbol name, like that is like crude oil F4. Then we need the expiry, comma, expiry F4. Then we need strike price. Strike price, I'm not keeping like not freezing it. Then comma. Then we need CE. Okay. Then quotations close. I think from here we need the quotation. Yeah. Then we need the LTP. So comma, quotations, LTP is here. Yes. Comma. Then here we need one close bracket. Then LTP. What happened? What happened? We have taken concatenate, closing it. Everything is correct. So I think the quotation needs to start from here. I think this one only. One second. I think one error might have come. I'm just checking it. All are correct. Why it is giving me? Okay, maybe I have wrongly taken that one. And this LTP. Come on. LTP. I'm not freezing the LTP also. See, now actually I think like quotations were not required. So that was the only thing which was giving the error. But trial and error gives you 100%. Now you can see like first I have taken MCXFO, that is this one. Second, I have taken, it was showing like a name of the script. That is the second one. Third one, I have taken it as expiry. Then fourth one, I have taken it as script like a strike price. And fifth one, I have taken as CE. See here, I'll just freeze it. So I'm pressing F4 for freezing it, and then it's an LTP. Okay. Now I'm getting the LTP here. Now I can delete this one. That is not required. Okay. So to get the this LTP here, now the nearest strike price is like 5,100. So I'll just keep this one here and equals to, sorry, I'll give it as 100 here, because like crude oil basically has 50 difference, but normally crude oil OI data and change in OI data won't be available in the 50 strike difference. So I'll just show you that one also. Just take this one minus 50 F4. I'm just dragging it upside. What I have done. One second. This minus 50 F4. Oh, sorry. This one I have to take it here. Then this one minus. Oh, sorry. This one minus 50 F4. Okay. Now you drag up. You'll get the strike price above, and here plus 50 F4. You drag down. You'll get the 50 difference. So even if you drag this one by holding the bottom, you'll get the like basically I think I have not freezed the LTP. So I'll just freeze the LTP here and just click and drag. You will get the, with the strike prices, you will get the LTPs of all the strike prices. You can see now you are getting the LTPs for all these strike prices. Okay. So similar way, if you need like bid, this is for the call side, bid and ask. So bid rate, just you have to move this LTP to bid rate. And one more thing, what happened? Bid rate. Oh, sorry. The strike price was moved. Just I'll keep it position. So this is the bid rate. Just drag it. Same way, copy. Paste the script and take it to ask rate. You will get the ask rate. Okay. Are you understanding? If yes, please say yes.
Yes, sir.
So it is very simple. That one-time script only you need to write. Then just copy this one. Keep it in open and drag the LTP thing to open area. You will get the open. Same, just copy, then paste it in the high. enter. Then same thing, copy. Here is one trick, like you won't get the data for the low. I'll show you why, because by the mistakes only we will learn. I'll show you why. Okay, this previous close, then we need open interest. As I said previously, like for the crude oil 50 strike price, normally it will give the open interest in a very low value. You can see. That's why I prefer like go for the 100 strike price. This will give me like all the data and information. So if you want 50, you can do. You won't have like a strike price of 25 in options crude oil. And same thing here. Copy, paste. Then you have this OY percentage is in the percentage level. This is not your actual figure, which normally it gives in the other data. So previous OY, I think it's giving me wrong, and even low also it's given me wrong. I'll just check it. Previous OY name I have given right or wrong. First I'll go to the sheet. This is previous OI, no space. So just copy it, paste, and you got. So just drag it to the bottom. You will get all the data. Same way for all of them. Just select everything, and you can drag, and you get all the data. So as we said, like we have done one mistake here. If you see in the sheet itself, from where we have got the data in the low, specifically low, if you double click it, you have a space there. You have a space there. After the low, you have a space. So same thing you need here. After the low, space, enter. That's it. Okay. So same way, like you can configure the same thing as for the PE also. Just this one, the third one, copy, paste, then copy, paste, what happened? Paste, and you have to drag this CE to the PE and LTP to this LTP. That's it. You will get the PE data. Okay. Same way, like if you need like a ask rate again, I think your understanding, it's a basic one only, but this is live. Is live. So I think like, thank you for choosing the Zoom. Okay. I think like we can do a QR question and answer session here itself. What do you say, Praveen? Because like everything is like pretty much done. We are getting the data, and the things are like perfectly.
Yeah, we have shown for a call option. If people want to continue or not, let us know from them.
Yeah. Put option is also like it's nothing. Unmute him.
You have to unmute. You are the host now.
Okay. I'll unmute. I'll make you host now. Praveen.
Yeah, I have unmuted all. If you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and ask.
Hi, Prabhakar. Hi, Praveen. Thank you guys once again
Hi.
for this initiative.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
question is,
Oh, sorry, it was muted again. You can unmute yourself again.
can you hear me, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, great. I don't know how far you guys listen to me. Okay, first of all, thank you again for another initiative here today. My question is, rather we go to the brokerage and see the depth market and analyze these, the OI change or the strike options. We can see this in the live on our Excel sheet itself and decide, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how do we interpret this data? Is it only for our strike price, or we can also analyze any other things, through this data? Because that will be confusing, because if we could go to the tool, to a brokerage, and that'll have a various kind of the informations there. But here we have a limited information where we'll have to come out within the decision. So through this data, what all benefit you can let us know, how we can effectively utilize this data.
Prabhakar, can you answer this?
No, what all we can do with this data in a simple form.
Actually, people are using this option change sheet to find the direction of data. I mean, find the direction of the market, and we can also interpret the open interest. By using open interest and the IV, people are interpreting the market direction. There are a lot of tool which is paid one, and we can use by using this free resource.
Okay. Thank you, Praveen.
Yeah.
More to explore here. Thank you.
Any other questions? Guys, if you have any question, you can unmute yourself and ask the questions.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, this is Raju.
Yeah, tell me, Raju.
Sir, some people are providing Excel sheet at group.
Okay.
Can you attach this live data directly this sheet?
Yeah, we can add the data to the sheet also. There will be no issues. The same procedure you have to follow.
Just some point explain, please.
I mean, you are asking how to connect the data.
Yeah. From direct this sheet, your ready-made sheet.
Yeah, what Prabhakar taught us right now, the same procedure has to follow.
Okay.
And one more thing, before opening the Excel sheet, when you are opening the NestTrader, you should also open the NestTrader with an administration mode. Did I answer your question, Raju?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And thank you.
Hi, Praveen. Sorry to interrupt here. So this will only work with NestTrader, is it?
No, you can use this. Yeah, go ahead, Prasan.
Yeah, this is for the nest. As I said in the initial also, like Pi also provides the RTD, Pi. And Dart stock also provides the RTD. Okay, that is 5 years. So like I'm just configuring with the NestTrader because most of the like Alice Blue provides a NestTrader and Goodwill provides a NestTrader. Some of the like even you can from the Angel Broker also you can get the data. Similar way you have to use it. That's it. So I'll quickly show you how to change this entire data into Bank Nifty or Nifty. I'll quickly show you. First, we required Bank Nifty LTP. Sorry, Nifty LTP. I'm taking copy. Just paste it here. I'm making the round figure as 17,350. Okay. Boom. Then we need NIFTY Nifty, and the expiry for expiry should be somewhere like, Praveen, it should be like 9th, right?
Yeah, 9th.
9th. I'll just add one FNO for that. Nifty. This is option. Nifty. 9th September 21. Okay, 17,000. It says 9th September 21. Okay. Just in the crude oil, it was only 21 September. In this, it was 9th September 21. And we need to change this one because this Nifty and Bank Nifty is from NSE. Just change this one, NSE-FO. That's it. You have like Nifty option chain data now. Okay. If you want like a Bank Nifty option chain data, first you need to change this one to say, I'll change it here only. Bank Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty thing. Then 36,900. I'm making it as round figure, and it should be 100 difference of strike. And this one should be Bank Nifty. Boom. You have that Bank Nifty option chain also. So like whichever option chain you want, just you need to take that FUT data, like monthly expiry data, and you need to know like what is the expiry for that. That's it. You're good to go. Even if you want like Reliance or any other thing, you can do with a similar way. FNO, say I'm saying future strike, say Adani Enterprise. I'm randomly selecting. I'm not specifically selecting. I'll just select this one. OP link. I'm just doing this further just to see the name. That's it. So Adani LTP is this one. Copy the sheet. And what is the strike price different? I don't know. So I'll just quickly go to the tools, option chain, that is 20. So strike price difference is 20. Then you have round figure of 1580. Okay, and this name I'll keep the same as Adani. Paste it, and this should be September. Expiry day of the futures is September. Done. So you got the Adani option chain. So this way you can make like anything, any option change as you like. Okay, any other questions? No?
If you have questions, you can unmute yourself and ask.
Hi, hello.
Yeah,
thank you
yeah.
so much. Thank you so much for the session. I have only one doubt. Like you have said that the trust setting. Sorry, the net.script plugin. We need it should be there. So can you please elaborate more?
That is not plugin. It is like whenever you are connecting, it is communicating with your Nest thing. That is not at all a plugin. That is whenever you open the NestRaider and link it to the Excel, it will automatically communicate.
So Excel will have that add-in by default, or we need to do something for that?
No, it's by default. It's by default. Whenever you are installing the Nest, it is by defaultly installed into the Excel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's clear. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So like basically, if you want other things also, you can do some